The dish of today is made with the onion. The ingredients are onion, olives, carrots, capers, celery, rosemary, mint. Let's start the preparation. Let's cut the onion in big parts. And let's put in the pan. Let's pour some oil of olive. And let's cook it. When the onion starts to whiten, let's put the other ingredients: celery, capers, chopped carrot, and olives, some rosemary. Let's mix everything about 10 minutes. And in the end, let's add some leaf of mint, some salt, and some vinegar. Let's make vanish everything. Let's cook them very well. It's a very smelling dish. Let's go to serve it. Let's add some mint and some black pepper.
Aggiungiamo tutto, qualche fogliolina di rosmarino, mescoliamo il tutto per altri 5-6 minuti. Alla fine aggiungiamo qualche fogliolina di menta, del sale e un po' di aceto. Facciamo sfumare il tutto qualche altro minuto. Un piatto molto profumato, il piatto è pronto. Andiamo a servire il piatto.